السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته شيخ.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Sheikh, after every prayer, I did a screenshot on my handy, so I know that I've prayed, and I know that I've prayed in the right time. But sometimes I forget to make the screenshots, and then before I sleep, I have always the doubts that if I prayed for example, last prayer. So what should I do in the next time when I forget to make a screenshot?
First of all, it is not permissible for you to make such screenshots, because this would only increase your OCD and help shaitan to mess up with your head more and more and more. The only way to fight off such whispers and compulsive disorder is to ignore. So trust Allah Azza wa Jal. You are someone who's sane. You are someone that does this every single day. You have 99.99% certainty that you prayed. Shaitan utilizes the 0.01% of doubt, inflates it, enlarges it, until it becomes as big as a mountain in your head that suffocates you, that makes it hard for you to breathe, that causes you panic and anxiety attack. Stop this, or it will destroy your life forever. Sumaya from France.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
This sometimes happened to me, like I intentionally delay my Witr Salah to offer it before Fajr. Then when I wake up, like it's almost 15 minutes, for example, to Fajr. So what I do is I first offer 2 rakat of tahajjud or nafil prayer. Then when I am during my prayer, so the adhan of Fajr is called. So in this case, my witr is not offered before the Fajr. So should I offer it as even number? If so, should I sit in the second rakat or not just in the fourth rakat? Barakallahu fikum.
Ufikum barakallah. If this happens to you, then you have to make up, or it is sunnah, to make up your missed witr prayer when it is time for duha, after sunrise, and 10 to 15 minutes before the adhan of dhuhr. All of this time is time to make up your missed witr prayer. So if you used to pray 3 rak'ahs witr and you missed that, you should pray them 4 rak'ahs, 2 by 2. You don't pray them 4 in a row. Rather, you pray 2 rak'ahs, sit for salutation, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, stand up, Allahu Akbar, pray another 2 rak'ahs, and that is done. Umar from Egypt.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. How are you?
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah, hayyak Allah.
So my question is regarding OCD and depression. I play games containing like fictional gods and idol worship or fake idol worship or not like press X to make offering to get like a power up or something like that. But my OCD keeps worsening out, saying that every time I play this game, I am a major mushrik or a minor mushrik or a kafir or stuff like that. I saw fatwas saying that I am a kafir if I play these games, but I also saw other fatwas that say, no, I'm not a kafir, I'm just committing a haram act. So, Sheikh, am I a kafir, Sheikh? Because the OCD keeps killing me, literally.
Do you care if you're a kafir or not?
I obviously care.
If you care, then stop playing. If you care, simply stop playing, akhi. If you know that such a wiswas is triggered when you play such games, and definitely playing such games is haram. When you play games that contain idol worshippers and shirk and the likes, and it's a game, you're enjoying it and you're playing with it, then you have these doubts, am I committing shirk, am I committing kufr? Any proper Muslim would definitely cut the means if something is doubtful, and instead of saying, it's doubtful, if I play, I might be committing kufr or shirk, and I may not. It's definitely logical to stop all of this nonsense so you'll be safe instead of putting yourself in harm's way. Are you a kafir or mushrik? As long as you don't have any conviction, of what is happening? No, you're not. But definitely, without any doubt, you are sinful, and you shouldn't drag yourself to such levels, and Allah knows best.